Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Elizabeth Jimena, 41 years old, single, from the Philippines. My work experience as a domestic helper for 15 years in Hong Kong. My first contract was 2008 to 2010. My main duties there is taking care of baby 8 months old and 4 years old girl. They are 4 members of the family, age 50 and 45, 8 months and 4 years old. And also I can do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, cooking, marketing. I finished my contract for 2 years there, and then I find another employer in the McDonald Road mid-level. There are 5 members of the family, age 60, 57, 27, 27, and 20. My main duties there in cleaning, cooking, marketing, car washing, take care of the dog, take them out for walking. I finished my contract there for 4 years. They are moving to the Thailand. So I found another help employer in Happy Valley, Stab Road. They are 4 members of the family also, 60, 55, also 27 and 20. My main duties there is take care of 12 dogs. I take them out for walking morning and noon. Also, I have co-helper. So I terminate my contract for 1 year because we are not good in term. I found another employer in Tsai Wai, Shatin. They are 3 members of the family, 47 and 48. Also, the son is 12 years old. My main duties there, look up the 12 years old, guide him. Sometimes I take him on the school. Also, I do the market, cleaning, cooking, car washing. Sometimes I go to Popo house. I finished my contract for 8 years, but I have to extend for 4 months. Then I back to the Philippines. To my future employer, please consider my application. I'm honestly good helper and kind. I hope you accept my application. See you soon and thank you. Bye.